My fellow people, this news that I'm seeing, I don't know whether they are true. So make una help me comment down below. Some comments here is saying this doctored and so on. And this is on TikTok. So I want if someone can explain, because if you just dispute everything and say doctored. How can hear the news, sorry.
Tinubu said that he's trying to change Nigeria currency to dollar. Listen to his speech.
My fellow Nigerians wants to inform all of you that we are planning to abolish the usage of NAIRA and start using dollar as our local currency.
Tinubu said that he's trying to...
Is that possible? That they are trying to abolish the use of Naira? I don't know. And if it's true, we don't enter one chance.